Join me in prayer right now and let's call upon the name of the Lord for releasing and breakthrough.
Imagine your bank account as a magic safe, ready to overflow with blessed and unpredictable money. By chanting this prayer, you'll connect to the divine source and visualize your bank account growing exponentially, like a blooming garden. Each word of the prayer is chosen to strengthen your essence and open cosmic channels of prosperity. Miracle Prayer. Absolute Creator, in this sacred moment, I open the doors of my being to receive your presence and your divine love. I feel immersed in your generosity, an inexhaustible source of prosperity and grace. Before your magnanimity, I visualize my financial landscape blossoming like a flower garden, a divine expression of goodness and abundance flowing from you. The universe conspires in my favor, weaving opportunities and tracing paths to success that unfold before me. With every step I take, I feel the wisdom of your guiding hands blessing my efforts with prosperous results and great achievements. In your divine grace, I find a fortress of security and confidence that dissolves all limits and barriers that dare to hold me back. I am steadfast in the belief that I deserve every blessing you have in store for me. With the sharp mind you have given me, I discern the opportunities that present themselves, like precious stones to be cut. I am an open channel to abundance, a receiver of the riches that flow ceaselessly from your compassionate heart. I thank you for this sacred connection and the gifts that await me. With your light as a guide, I move forward with confidence and gratitude. My intuition shines like a star, directing my choices with deep clarity and intrinsic wisdom. The angels of abundance dance around me, their constant support enveloping me like a celestial embrace. Their invisible wings inspire each of my steps, direct my decisions, and illuminate my path with divine luminosity. Each of my efforts is transformed into a harvest of exuberant fruits that multiply like seeds planted in fertile soil. Money flows to me in surprising and unexpected ways, like a river of blessing that never stops flowing. My bank account becomes an irresistible magnet for wealth of all kinds. An explosion of prosperity fills every corner of my life, making tangible the love and generosity that emanate from you. My heart overflows with gratitude for the blessings I have already received and for those waiting patiently. Every opportunity that presents itself, every dream that comes true, is a tangible manifestation of your affection and kindness. I generously share these gifts with those who cross my path, guided by a sacred connection that transcends time and space. I feel supported by the divine energy that flows through every fiber of my existence, a celestial symphony harmonizing every aspect of my journey. Under the benevolent gaze of the divine, I advance with confidence, gratitude, and the certainty of being immersed in the current of prosperity. Guided by the love that permeates the universe, my financial life reflects the splendor of your constant care. My heart overflows with gratitude, love, and deep conviction, forming a hymn of devotion that resonates throughout the universe. With humility and sincere abandonment, I entrust myself to your plans, dear Creator, aware that you are the source of all provision, guidance, and accomplishment. I walk with faith on this blessed journey. My spirit is a burning lamp illuminated by your divine wisdom, my life a symphony of prosperity and spiritual elevation, a harmonious dance between the material and the transcendental. I receive with an open heart and accept with faith your goodness and sovereign love, which pour over me in profusion. This abundance of resources testifies to your solicitude and kindness, fueling the expansion of my financial life like a flourishing garden. As I walk the path illuminated by you, the doors of opportunity open like petals blossoming in the morning sun. With each step, I attract blessed money in various expected and unexpected ways, a cosmic dance of energy and manifestation. The flow of money grows like a river, filling every corner of my existence, flooding my bank account, and nurturing every aspect of my life. In this symphony of abundance, I find harmony and balance. Thus, guided by your invisible hand, I walk with joy and confidence, knowing that your presence is the compass guiding me through the realms of prosperity and fulfillment. I thank you, I accept, and I celebrate this journey illuminated by your incomparable grace. From this moment on, I immerse myself in total acceptance of the support and help that flow from your divine grace. I humbly ask you to undo all limitations and barriers hindering my progress towards prosperity and a full, secure life. I am ready to receive with open arms the riches that emanate from the heavens, like a rain of blessing bathing my being. Everything I do flourishes and bears fruit in abundance. I declare with unshakable belief that my bank account becomes an irresistible magnet, attracting large sums of money. With every breath, I accept and allow wealth to seep into the fabric of my life, filling my bank account with extraordinary and surprising abundance. With humility, I recognize the intrinsic value of this divine flow. My gratitude overflows for each number that arrives, bringing comfort and fulfillment. With each new day that dawns, a radiant opportunity appears on the horizon, a unique chance for my bank account to blossom exponentially. The melodious symphony of manifestation resonates around me, music that dances between the tangible and the transcendental. Through the notes of the universe, I tune into the uninterrupted flow of abundance from your divine essence. Navigating this ocean of possibilities, I advance with the certainty of being immersed in the current of prosperity, guided by the melody of creation. Each word I proclaim resonates beyond time and space, reverberating in every corner of the cosmos. My journey is illuminated by your divine light, and each step is a dance of co-creation. Amen.
Type Amen if you feel abundant. Watch this important message right now.